Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the JMA modified RSI. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader, and you will get access to our custom indicators as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators and strategies when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the JMA modified RSI. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 81 different strategies. We've tested a total of 884 indicators, and we've tested a total of 86 indicators in the retesting stage. Now, if you are interested in a full list of all these indicators and strategies and their win rates, then we have compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Now, alright, as I said, today we are looking at an advanced testing of the JMA modified RSI. So what we have is three different lines here. We have the thicker or slower of the two lines. We have a middle line here, which is a little bit thinner than that thicker line. And then we have the fastest of the lines, which is the thinner one here. And so what we're looking for is when the middle line is above the thicker of the three lines, then we are looking for the thinner line to drop below and break back above, like you can see right here, and we get a nice push to the upside. And then when the middle line is below the thicker of the three lines, we're looking for that thin line to break above and then back down below that middle line there, and you can see we get that right here, and we get a nice push to the downside. That's how we tested it in the original testing, and that's how we tested it here in the advanced testing. Now, in the original testing, it did an 80% win rate with 5 trades in the 1 year's time. So we did drop this down to a lower time frame of 4 hours. We did adjust the stop and take profit accordingly, and so we have that adjusted right here. And so before we take a look at the numbers on this advanced test, if you would please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Please don't give the video a thumbs down even if the indicator doesn't maintain that 60% criteria. Giving the video a thumbs up helps the YouTube algorithm. We want to keep YouTube happy. Alright, so in the advanced testing, we did the 50 trades like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 28 winning trades. We got 22 losing trades, and so that's going to put us at a 56% win rate. And so that is going to drop us down below that 60% criteria that we were looking for. All in all, though, I do feel like this indicator is still a pretty strong indicator, so I definitely wouldn't ride this one off. Play with it in your spare time and see if you can slide it into a strategy you might be currently using and see if it helps out a little bit. So if you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the strategy that we have developed here on the channel after testing hundreds of indicators and strategies. I will put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now. I will also link to it at the end of this video with the same thumbnail. You can just click on it and check out that video that I did on the strategy. It is a proven profitable trading strategy that we've developed, like I said, here on the channel, and it has been tested, back tested, forward tested. We are constantly making small tweaks to it, trying to optimize it, make it even better. We're also looking to automate the strategy. Hopefully that's something we'll have done here in the near future. Once we get that done, any of our current patrons will get a discounted version of it for a limited period of time. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, that's it for this video here. We're going to go ahead and cut it and move on to the next video from here.